Officials at Greenville Hospital System say they are seeing patients with enterovirus, but the specific D68 strain showing up in other parts of the country has not been identified. Dr. Joshua Brownlee, GHS pediatric infectious disease specialist, said the hospital sees cases of enterovirus every year around this time. He said doctors are actively monitoring all the patients to see if any have the strain that has sent hundreds of children to the hospital in other states. Officials with St. Francis Hospital, Mission Hospital, and Health and Spartanburg Regional said they have not had any patients admitted with the virus. The strain of the virus that has caused hundreds of children to be hospitalized around the county is enterovirus D68, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The virus usually starts like the common cold. Symptoms include sneezing, a runny nose and a cough. This is all that happens for most people who catch an enterovirus. But some patients will get a severe cough, have difficulty breathing or develop a rash. D68 is sometimes also accompanied by a fever or wheezing. Unfortunately, in the beginning it's difficult, if not impossible, to tell the difference between a regular cold and this type of virus. But there are symptoms you should be on the lookout for if your child becomes sick. Go to the doctor if he or she develops a fever or a rash, or if your child has difficulty breathing. Children with asthma or a history of breathing problems are particularly susceptible for severe symptoms.